Hello everyone. I want to show you how you can use the demo of Formaloo Customer Data Platform. To get access to Formaloo Customer Data Platform demo, just open Google and write Formaloo demo and click on the first link or go to formaloo.com/demo. After filling this form, you get access to the credentials that you have for a demo account. So you go to this URL demo.formaloo.com and you see a page like this. After filling the form, you are now signed in. As you can see, it shows you to select your company. As a user, you can have as many as company as you want, and you can switch between them any way you wish. So for a demo business that we have, we click on demo business, and as you can see, for this demo account, we have 500 demo customers that have more than 5,000 orders. And a lot of these informations are based on your own business, and it will track and analyze over the times. So for a demo purpose, they are not ready yet because a business should move forward in time to see the analyzed version of this data. So we have pretty standard charts here on the number of orders per month and daily, number of customers, how they grew in a business, and number of form submits, surveys that your customers filled in. And one important thing is that this data is from a very real business that the data is dramatized for the demo purpose. If you click on customers, you can see a full view of all of your customers, and you can see that each and every one of your customers are analyzed. So we are here, we have the customer insights. If you click on one, you see a consolidated profile and analyzed profile of every customers, and you can see every information from any integration that you guys had with Formaloo. So you can see anything that you have in your help desk, in your CRMs, in your e-commerce platform, Shopify, WordPress, anything that you guys have, and you can edit them and sync them as you wish. So if you edit them, it gets synced as well. And you can add more information here. For example, I want to create a new field here, and it's a single choice, and for options I create under 18 and more than 18, and you get the idea, and it's added, and I can save them as I wish. Also, I can create and edit the basic information of every customer. I can create notes for them and get synced via our CRM, via your mailing list, anything that you guys have, and you can see how it works. And you can create as many notes as you want, and it gets synced as well. The important part is tags. I will show you how you can create any customized tags you want. For example, you want to see important, and you want to mark it as purple as well, and it gets added to this particular customer. For this particular customer, I create a customized tag, which is not automatic. I do it manually. But these tags that you can see, these 4 tags are all automatic and based on the data that these customers have in your platforms. For example, these customers, Sharon, it was active monthly, so it automatically tagged active monthly. She has a cosmetic business, so it automatically tagged and segmented in cosmetic business. She's a loyal customer and has an SME. So all of these 4 tags are automatic, and it gets automatic everywhere from your customers. So you can see any of these other tags. All of these tags are automatic tags. And you can see, for example, James is a churn alert. And if you click on it, you can see all churn alerts here. So these are the customers who are about to leave you. They are in a danger of churning and you can contact them. So let's go back to Sharon and see what else we have. We have here the orders and projects that these particular customers had with us. For example, if I connected a Shopify to a Formaloo CDP, I can see all of the orders and details here, and any activities from the website visits, from filling out forms, from purchasing, ordering, anything that act as activities right here, and I can view all to see all of that. And here are some of the more important information that you guys need to analyze your customers. For example, this particular customer, you can allocate as much as $100 cashback because they get so much revenue to you, they get so much profit to you that you can give them $100 cashback, so they will join again and they will join again in this platform. So they can buy again. So the cashback is particularly very, very interesting in e-commerce businesses, in businesses who want their customers to order more frequently. And the cashback acts as a smart discount, not a dummy discount, not a blind discount that you offer everyone and nobody buys from you, but a smart discount who is the exact amount that you guys can spend on someone and get a lot more in return. So if you guys give $100 back, you guys get more profit, way more than $100 for your investments. And as you can see, we have scores and levels. And you can see where the user signed in and everything in the map as well. So for scores and levels, I want to explain to you the gamification. Formaloo CDP has a very, very powerful data mining and gamification platform built right for you. So it works automatically when you use and integrate your services, whether it's automatic integrations like Shopify and WordPress or custom integrations with your startup. Every customer of you gets scored automatically via a gamification algorithm that we have. And every one of them would get a level from 0 to 10. For example, if you can see that these first page all are 10, which means they are our best and most loyal customers, as you can see here. But if I go down and arrange that, you can see that we get more people from different levels. So how the levels and score works? The score and level works on different methods, on very, very various data mining algorithms, such as RFM, such as interactive, such as interaction with monthly active users, and many more analyses that Formaloo provides. And it provides a smart segmentation for you. Basically, it tracks behaviors of every customers and automatically segment them via their patterns. And the patterns of your customers show how the new scores will manage. So this scoring and level will get smarter as you use Formaloo with your business for more months. Every month, new scores will be given and new levels will be adjusted. So your most loyal businesses will get the level 10, and your customers who are inactive or are basically your worst customers and you shouldn't spend any marketing effort on them will get the 0. But the important thing is that if you see a customer from level 10 goes to level 9, it means they are not as satisfied as before. If they goes from level 9 to level 7, they are very unhappy and they are about to leave you. And these kind of notifications and alerts gives you a very powerful insight on who is about to leave you, who is not satisfied, and what you should do for satisfaction of every customers. So for satisfaction of every customer, you can see what you should do in their customer insights via cashback, via discounts, via anything that you guys have. So this is the basic of the patterns. The patterns are shown here via these tags. I want to show you how these tags interact. So I go to map view. The map view show me a map view of every one of the tags that I have. For example, the cosmetic business, large enterprises, the person with churn alerts, the active quarterly. And as my business grow from different months and it grows with Formaloo CDP, these circles will collide and you see which of your customers have different patterns and where those patterns are meeting. These meeting of patterns, as you can see, they are closer, and because this is a demo account, everything is separated because it has no monthly basis, it's just a daily basis. When they collide, you can see where those guys are meeting and what they need. So it's basically the map view will predict the future of your account. And you can see what your customer needs, how your customer needs will be met, and how you should address the customer needs. It gives you a list of actions on what you should do for any patterns that you see. And any pattern that you see will be shown for you via tags. For example, what should you do for active monthly accounts? What should you do for churn alert accounts? What should you do for your fashion business customers? The next part is how can I integrate my services with Formaloo? Formaloo provide a very simple user onboarding. For integrating any business with Formaloo, just go to connection, so you can connect your business to Formaloo. As you can see, we provide integrations with Formaloo for e-commerces, for example, WordPress users, WooCommerce users, Shopify users, or even any other e-commerce platform that you guys use. You just click add sources and you get the integration that you guys need. Also, for the gamification that you guys see, if you are on a startup, you can manage it and create custom actions. For example, you want to create a custom action and custom gamification algorithm based on your need. For example, hitting a button in your startup is much more important than anything else. Visiting a page is much important than ordering. Creating installing your app is much important than something else. So you can create any action you want, for example, app installation here, and give them tag. For example, creating a new tag. I want to create a new tag, create operation type, create group type. For example, this is submit, operation type read, and this a score. I want to give them 630 scores, and a description. Anyone who install our app, and done. And I created just a custom action within my business. You can add as many as connections as you want, and you can sync your business with any business that you guys have. Formaloo is very successful on the integrations. We offer integrations with WordPress, with Shopify, via Google Play, via App Store, via Zapier, and you can see that Formaloo can integrate with more than 3,000 applications out there, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, MailChimp, Amazon, and anything that you guys use. Now let's go back. So you connected your business, but you might say that my business has data that is not in another service. So the integrations are not met for me. I have my customers in an Excel, or I just want to add customers manually. Just click here. This is Maggie. It helps you to run your business, and you can add new customers here. Do you want to create one customers? And you create a customer here. things like this, and my customer doesn't have email, and this is test. And I can create them. For example, they have cosmetic business. I assign them a tag, any initial score. For example, this is a good customer. I give them 870 scores, and the customer is now in my database. Or alternatively, I want to add customers via an Excel. I just upload an Excel account, and this is a sample, and upload my any number of the customers that I want, up to 1 million customers via the Excel file. So you can add your customers via Excel or anything that you want to Formaloo, and you see all of them with their scoring, with their levels, with their everything here. As you can see, I just add a customer here, test, and the score is here. I added 2 tags and everything is here, and I can edit them, delete them as I wish. Here I can delete them, and everything goes smoothly. In tags, you can manage all of your tags. If their tags are automatic and based on the patterns, you should be wary to deleting them, because after deleting them, you cannot get them back. But for creating an manual tag, you can edit them as you wish and create new tags and any tags that you want. The tags will create patterns as you wish to for your business. So when you add a new tag, you get new patterns via the data mining of Formaloo. Formaloo data mining will calculate the new tags, even the manual tags that you guys created, and see them as patterns for their customers. So the customers will get analyzed based on the manual tag as well as automatic tags, and it tracks their behaviors. The last part is the campaigns. When you done all of this, you want to interact with your customers. You want to be able to get your customers moving on, get your customers to communicate them about new campaigns, new discounts, new products, anything that you guys have. Or you want to just mention something that the actions provided, the Formaloo action provided for you to get the customers to come back. For example, a group of customers are about to churn or are not actively as before, and you want to get them to come back. So just click on create campaign, and you contact them via SMS and email. For example, I choose email. I give my campaign a name, get monthly active user up, and I move forward, and I can see to who I should send. I can send it to all of my customers, or to a tag, or to a multiple tags. For example, for churn alert and cosmetic businesses. And this is automatically done via Formaloo. And you can send email, and you can see a WYSIWYG editor here, so you can edit it as many your email as much as you want. You can enter HTML tags, anything that you want, and I can save it as a draft and do it for later as well. After sending the campaign, it will give you insights: who opened it, who received it, who visited it, how it worked with the patterns that is analyzed via Formaloo. And after a while, so the important thing for consider is that this is a demo account. It's not live, and it will be refreshed every couple of hours. So you will not see a progress of your customers as you have your own Formaloo. When you have your own Formaloo and you use it for a couple of months, all of these data, all of these charts and new charts will emerge, because this is based on your analyzed data. The important thing here is when you sync your data with Formaloo, it gets synced forever until you decide to break up these in connections here or in your Shopify or WooCommerce or any other platform that you guys have. So it acts as a complete suite of customer analytics and product analytics that you guys want. You can customize it if you want to code any way you want via sources, via custom actions. For example, for Formaloo, we created a lot of custom actions as you can see here and gave them tags, gave them groups, gave them a score, anything that I want. And I can customize any behavioral tracking that I have based on my needs. But for most businesses, especially e-commerces, everything is set out of the box. So you guys don't need to do anything. You just connect it, it gets automatically synced, and you can use it forever. There is no limit on number of customers that you guys can analyze, not the number of orders or action. Anything that you guys have here will get analyzed via Formaloo data mining. Thank you very much. I hope this was useful. If you have any other questions about it, you can ask via our contact support here, and you can see that you guys have you can contact us via here or via our contact us page, and you can see a lot of useful information, case studies, and how to use Formaloo in our blog section. So you can use it in any way that you want. Also, you can use anything like something like this, what we call widget, to collect more information from your customers within your website, and it's fully customizable. As you can see, we developed something like this for our help desk, and we created something like this for seeing which is useful or not, which blog post is useful or not, or even creating something like this to get more subscribers to our newsletter. I hope all of this was helpful for you guys, and I hope you can enjoy Formaloo Customer Data Platform and Formaloo Customer Analytics within your business, and you can grow your business as much as possible. Thank you very much. Have a great day.